Hey, Sawadee crap, y'all. This ain't no clickbait. Let me show y'all what I've seen. And subscribe too, so I keep making some videos for y'all. Here in the jungles of Thailand.
Deep in the forests of southern Thailand lives one of the region's most mysterious and ancient groups, the Maniq people. These black aboriginals are Thailand's last hunter-gatherers, a small community of only 300-400 individuals who have lived in these forests for thousands of years. Their dark skin, curly hair, and short stature set them apart from the majority Thai population. Scientists believe they are descendants of the first humans to migrate out of Africa, making them one of the oldest populations in Southeast Asia. The Maniq are semi-nomadic, living in bamboo huts with banana leaf roofs. They survive by hunting, foraging, and using traditional knowledge passed down through generations. Their language, part of the Aslian branch of the Austroasiatic family, is unrelated to Thai, and they have no written script, only oral tradition. However, their way of life is under threat due to deforestation, land encroachment, and pressures to assimilate into Thai society. In Thai culture, the Maniq have been loosely represented by the Nga Apa, Ngoa Pa figures, which are small curly-haired statues often sold as souvenirs. These figures originate from a novel written by King Rama VI's titled Ngoa Pa, which tells the story of a fictionalized jungle-dwelling character. While inspired by the Maniq, the novel romanticized and distorted their real way of life, reinforcing stereotypes that portrayed them as wild, primitive, and exotic. Today, these figurines continue to be sold across Thailand, while the real Maniq people struggle to survive. Some view the figures as a celebration of Thailand's cultural diversity, while others see them as a form of cultural exploitation that diminishes the true identity of the Maniq people. As Thailand modernizes, the fate of the Maniq remains uncertain, raising the question of whether they will be protected and remembered or slowly fade into history.
Really is like blackface culture out here, but it ain't blackface. But then they got some other cultures. I mean, it kind of is, but it isn't. I just wanted to show y'all what I see out here, because blackface back home is straight up disrespectful, even though some of them may not have meant it. It's just kind of weird how on, two different sides of the world they got the exact same thing. Like, my lips ain't red. I ain't got beady eyes like that. But yeah, it's very interesting that those are the features they gave him. That's just how it is. Let me know what y'all think about that. What's up, y'all? It's story time. Tell y'all the story about me having too many drinks, waking up midday. And the remedy out here is hot pot. It really does work. I go to this spot, not many people. They're like, sit anywhere, sir. I'm like, I'm gonna take this seat right here. But as usual, I hear music when I'm just showing up. I'm not paying no mind, but I'm like, what? I'm looking over like, what am I hearing? Because, it's different language. You don't know what you're hearing, but this girl was a baddie, like a legit 9.9, like winking at me, pointing at me with speaker box by herself. I swear, getting up and dancing next to the hot pot. I'm like, man, fuck this. What is going on over there? Like, is this how she trying to relate to me to some nigga shit? I'm like, ain't nobody here for point at but me. And more of her friends start showing up. They all singing it. Like, just so many. They were all dying. I don't know what's going on, right? But they doing like routine dances. I think it's her birthday at a hot pot spot. So she's like, yeah, it means you. It means me. I'm like, what? I'm like, yo, nigga, nigga, over here. It was giving me beer. Yo, talk about good times. All right, let's learn some Thai now. And this is probably a good time to learn the words that sound like something. The word for nigga is Nicole. Nicole. If you ever hear that, that's nigga. Kun. is used. So you're gonna hear kun all the time. It ain't what you're thinking. It shouldn't be anyway. Dam is how you say black, and that could be skin color or whatever. Dam. So there you have. You got Nicole, kun, dam. Like and subscribe, y'all.